Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're an avid Canva user and you want to import one of your email designs into your Klaviyo account and use it for your newsletters, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's super easy, so let's dive in. So we've got an email design over here, and we're going to go ahead once we've completed our design up to the top right hand side and click on share, right? And this of course is from Canva. Now what's going to happen is you'll have a few options. Of course you'll see the download option. That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is you want to click on embed. Right now, what will essentially happen with this is you'll get a code. All right, it's an HTML code, and you'll be able to embed it into your Klaviyo email, but it won't be editable. You won't actually be able to interact with the design. Right. So once you're in Klaviyo, you're going to go over to the left-hand side. You're going to hit campaigns, and from here to the right, you're going to create a campaign and tap on continue. From here, you'll give it a name, you'll add recipients, you will add whatever other details you want, and continue to content. So there are a few different options here. You've got the drag and drop, you've got the text only, and the HTML. Now, drag and drop will allow you to design an email, and you can probably import your design as an image if you have gone ahead and saved your design as a PNG. But that's not actually what we want to do. What we want to do here is tap on the HTML option, okay? And what we're going to do essentially is remove all of the code that is currently here, and we're going to paste the embed code that we just pulled from our Canva design. And that's it. All you need to do is preview it, and you'll see now that's what your newsletter looks like. And this will be sent out to the list that you are adding on to this campaign email. And as I said before, you can't actually do anything with it here, but if you're doing all of your design in Canva, that's fine. If you need to make changes, you can do it here in Canva. So once you've made your changes, you'll have to just grab a new code and jump in there again. Make sure you're going onto the editor and add it in over here. It's actually quite simple. If this is enjoyable, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. Peace out.